What's up guys, welcome back to another vloggy vlog. I just realized I forgot to put mascara on my bottom lashes, but that's okay. Usually on Sundays I spend most of my day no makeup, bonnet on, raggedy clothes, and cleaning my room. But every now and again I will work on a Sunday. So today I am working and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm currently in Miami. I'm at Esme Hotel, which is on Espanola Way, and I'm getting ready to shoot for Monroe. We're gonna do, I think, 3 to 4 looks today, and then she has a dining opportunity at Komodo, so we're gonna go there afterwards. We are done shooting. Not really, we still have one more thing to shoot, but we are going to Makoto to eat our hearts out.
When I'm flying, the descent is still my favorite part. Easy to end and hard for me to start. You don't wanna feel that part of me that's cold and numb with apathy. Cause when I feel that way, I can't help nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, no, nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, 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 not even myself. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck
Okay, lighting. Okay, lighting. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, it's bad.
It's Monday, March 7th. We're leaving the hotel room.
Happy Monday. Excuse the appearance. My grandma would say this is not how you greet guests, but I like to think of us as family. We're not really guests, so excuse what's happening here. There's a reason for it. I'm having a really good Monday. Mondays are usually good because I'm in the house all day, but I'm having a really good Monday. Well, first of all, I woke up on time. Okay, I can't sing. I woke up at 5 a.m., went to the gym, did my morning routine. I'm feeling good. Had therapy. I'm feeling good, y'all. I'm feeling good. And then another thing that happened, so usually when I go to the gym, like Planet Fitness, and not a class, but like just work out at the gym by myself, I tend to stick to the cardio machines. So I'll do like the treadmill, the Stairmasters, I'll do the bike, anything cardio related, I'll do those. And that's because the weight lifting area is usually hoarded by men, and that can get a bit intimidating for me. So I would literally go to the gym, do my cardio workout, and then come home and have some weights on the floor here, and I'll come home and do some like weightlifting stuff at home, because it just seems so intimidating in that area where all the men are just like working out. Granted, the gym is not even like super busy during the time that I go, but I just always get so like overwhelmed and low-key intimidated. But today today I pushed past that fear, and I went there and I got my workout done, and I feel good. I did that. So today is Monday, and typically my Mondays are just admin work. That's why I don't really start my vlogs on Mondays, because my days are pretty boring. I just do like the behind the scene things. I do emails, and if I have to send analytics for a campaign, like if I have to like track down a brand to pay me on time, like those are the type of things that I'll do on a Monday. But today, I'm only gonna be doing that for like half the day, not even half, probably like 2 hours of the day, and then I have to record a video. So I purchased a few things from Boohoo a while ago, and I've been trying to record a haul for like a whole week now. And last week I tried to record it, and everything that could go wrong went wrong, and I couldn't get it done. So today I'm gonna film that haul. So that means I'm only gonna have like a few hours to do admin work, and then I'm gonna get into that haul. I'm gonna give you guys a little preview of what my calendar is looking like for today, this week, mostly today. All right, so let's get into my calendar for today. So admin hours. So at exactly 10 a.m., it's currently 9:50, but at exactly 10 a.m. my admin hour will start, and that's basically me going over my emails, making sure I don't have anything in there that I need to check up on, and then I'm going to start getting ready to film my Boohoo haul. So that means I have to do my makeup, I have to steam all the clothes, and then at 5 p.m. I have a meeting with my mentee, and then I need to study for my real estate exam, and then make dinner. And that is my Monday pretty much. All right, you guys, I just finished recording my haul, and I'm starving, so I'm about to go make myself something to eat and then clean up this mess. This is the result of filming hauls, y'all. Like, it takes so much work to film hauls, so that's why I don't do them that often.
siendo el mejor mulero de Villa del Carmen y todos sus alrededores.
Cecilia, no más. No más. Blanca.
Sí, que ya viene, sí señor, ya viene. Pues que venga quien tenga que venir. Cuando vengan acá los agentes y le dan la orden se van a dar cuenta que usted va a tener que bajarle a su acelere porque no va a hacer con la ley lo que se le da la gana.
So today's Tuesday and today's a pretty mundane day for me. Don't have too much to do. I plan to be in the house most of the day, but two main things I have on my to-do list is to edit yesterday's video, the video that I filmed yesterday. I need to edit it today so it can go up tomorrow, and then I need to get far in this book. I've been reading this book really slow. Not sure why. I mean, I know why, but I've only gotten to chapter 4 so far, so I really want to spend the afternoon getting into it and getting far into it. If I can finish it, that would be great, but I doubt I'll be able to finish it. So those are my two main priorities today. And also I have to go to the dentist today. So if you watch my vlog where I got my teeth whitened, they had custom whitening trays made for me, so I need to go there and pick that up today. So yesterday after I filmed and I had to clean up my office, I took advantage of that time to also reorganize my clothing rack right here, which usually holds my blazers and my coats and things like that. I had all of my heavy coats and blazers and like dark winter color blazers and stuff. Even though I live in Florida and we don't even get cold weather, like I like to dress by the season as much as I can. We are headed into spring. I changed it up a bit and added some of my colorful blazers up here, and also brought out some of my colorful heels and put away my boots, and I love it so far. I do want to add a few more things to it, but I love how it's looking so far.
No worries.
So once you do, you'll sit it on the right, and what you'll do is you'll push against the teeth there, okay?
Okay.
And it'll go all around the tooth. Don't put too much though, because you don't want it to go to your gum. If it
Oh,
goes to
okay.
your gum, it'll burn your gum, and
Okay.
it'll turn white, okay?
What's up, you guys? Happy Wednesday. It's currently 6 p.m. and I'm getting ready to go to the West Palm Beach Kravis Center to watch Anastasia Broadway musical. So I am headed there tonight. They're having a media night and they invited me and a guest to go. Originally I was gonna go alone, but my little cousins wanted to tag along, so I am bringing them with me. I'm a huge musical fanatic. Like, I love musicals. Like, I sing the whole entire Hamilton soundtrack from beginning to end. Like Hairspray, Rent, like, I love musicals. So when I got this invite, I've been getting a lot of invites from them and I haven't gone to anything, but I saw a musical and I was like, I'm sold. So I'm gonna read kind of like what the play is about. Inspired by the beloved film, the romantic and adventure-filled new musical Anastasia is on a journey to the Kravis Center at last. From the Tony Award-winning creators of the Broadway classic Ragtime, this dazzling show transports us from the twilight of the Russian Empire to the euphoria of Paris in the 1920s. As a brave woman sets out to discover the mystery of her past, pursued by a ruthless Soviet officer determined to silence her, and yet enlisted the aid of a dashing con man and a lovable ex-aristocrat. Together, they embark on an epic adventure to help her find home, love, and family. Interesting. It has some romance in there, which I'm a romance gal, so love that. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm kind of running a little late, so I need to hurry up. I've had my makeup on since 8 a.m. this morning, and I just took a nap. I'm just waking up from a nap, but I don't feel like doing a whole full face, so I'm about to touch it up a little bit, do my hair, throw on an outfit, and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk.
All right, here's a quick OOTD. I'm wearing this really fitted high neck top from Who What Wear collection. The pants are from Zara. I mentioned them in a haul previously. Blazer is also from Zara, and the shoes are the Chanel slingback inspired. They are not the Chanel slingback, but they are inspired by them. I love them. They're super classy. And that's my outfit for the evening. And of course, I'm bringing my girl Marley along. I don't know if you guys know that TikTok where it's like, pick somebody else, pick somebody else. This is my bag. I feel like this bag is screaming pick somebody else because I wear it so much. But yeah, this is tonight's attire for the play.